everyone, welcome back to Coders Project. In today's video, we're going to be solving the valid parenthesis problem on LeetCode. So whether you're preparing for the coding interviews or brushing up your data structures, this is a must-know problem. Let's dive into it. So we're given a string S containing just the characters so-and-so. We need to determine if the input string is valid. So if an input string is valid, if the opening brackets must be closed with the same type of brackets. Basically, if we are opening this bracket, we'll have to close with the same type of bracket. Opening brackets must be closed in the correct order. If you are opening this, we must first close this and move on to the next one. Every closed bracket has a corresponding open bracket of the same type. So if we are opening this, it should have the same type of closed bracket. This one is not matching this opening bracket, so it's going to return false. Let's dive into it. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be using stack data structure. It follows the principle of last in, first out. So we're first going to traverse through the string character by character. For every opening bracket, we'll push its corresponding closing bracket onto the stack. And for every closing bracket, we'll have to check if the elements matches the top of the stack. If it doesn't match, or if the stack is empty, we just consider the string is invalid and return false. So let's dive into it. We're going to be using a list as a stack to keep track of the expected closing brackets. So let's create our stack data structure. And now for every character in our string, first we need to check if it is an opening bracket. If it is an opening bracket, we're going to be pushing the closing bracket into our stack. So for every character in our string S, if our character is equal to opening bracket, we're going to be appending the closing bracket into a stack. All right, if let's go ahead and consider the other cases as well. L of C is equal to this, stack dot append this one. L of C is equal to square bracket stack dot append closing square bracket. All right, so what we're doing here again is we're going to be looping through every character in our string. If that character is an opening bracket, we are appending our closing bracket into our stack. And now we need to consider for the case if the character is already a closing bracket, we need to check if the stack is empty, or if the top of the stack doesn't match the character, we return false. So if either condition is true, the string is invalid and we return false. So elif not stack or stack dot pop not equal to our current character, we return false. Okay, so now if the stack is empty at the end and all the brackets were matched correctly, then the string is valid and we return true. If not, we return false. So we just go ahead and return false, return not stack. So not stack is basically going to check if the stack is empty or not. And if there are any unmatched openings, we return false. If there are no unmatched openings, we return true. So let's go ahead and test this code. Okay, looks like our test cases have passed. Let's run the other test cases. All right, looks like all the test cases have passed. So this is going to have a time complexity of O of n, where n is nothing but the length of the string. So since we're traversing the string once and inside the for loop, it's going to have a time complexity of O of n. Space complexity in the worst case is also going to be O of n if all the characters are the opening brackets. It's efficient and gets the job done. That's it. You have mastered the valid parenthesis problem now. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more coding tutorials. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.